Magandang araw po. Good day. This is Yaring Platero, and this is my presentation for a training video for subscription, especially for my students who are subscribing my videos from other countries. So, the training videos content is about how to make a 15 millimeter rope chain and also how to make a 5 millimeter rope chain. So they have different technology. You cannot make a 15 millimeter rope chain if you subscribe a video for 5 millimeter rope chain, because I have a different techniques on how to make a big rope chain from a small rope chain. So the content of my training video is to show you the complete process of making a solid rope chain. So this is not the same with those who are making a hollow rope chain. This is solid wire, big wire. I'm going to teach you the right size of the big wire and the right size of the pattern on how to make a 15 millimeter rope chain. And also, the other video, training video, is I'm going to teach you the right size of the silver wire and the right size of the pattern to make a 5 millimeter rope chain. So, from melting, as you can always see in my videos, from melting of fine silver 999 to convert into a sterling silver to make a silver wire for a 15 millimeter rope chain, or to make a silver wire for 5 millimeter rope chain. I have two different training videos. So for you to know the details on how to subscribe my training videos, you can read the description below my video presentation.